As a matter of fact, the little boy needs a father.
Table 1 hasn't ordered a thing. Table 3 over there just drank his 4th cup of Doug's Loss.
Hey, the crashed ship from this morning was stolen.
Lunar Max president, Boris the Animal.
How did you know?
He always had a taste for spiky bull. Give us a minute, will you, Chief?
You're in a situation.
Yeah. I'll take the chloropod. You take the Serenity and the Hydronian over there.